Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna make some papaya salad again. It's really hot day today. Outside is super hot, and I got out from work like 2:30 today, and I feel like, oh my god, I wanna eat some spicy, and I have some shrimp, fish meatball, key lime, cherry tomato. This one is green bean, pepper, garlic, and a little bit papaya. I don't want to use a lot today. I'm gonna mix everything: sugar and anchovy and MSG fish sauce. Okay, come make papaya salad with me, okay, guys? Come over, make papaya salad together. The first thing is garlic, chili. You know where I wear this one? Today and yesterday and tomorrow at my work. You can wear anything you want, like hero, like Superman, Batman, whatever. You know, this one is they do for what's they call, the UC David Hospital for children, and they donation every year. Costco do that, and yeah, that's why I have this shirt on. And today I'm gonna make a lot of egg, but after I eat, I gotta prepare for everything. Tomorrow I have to deliver egg roll and before 12. Okay, come enjoy me, guys. Maybe 100 something. I'm gonna smash a little bit green bean today. Okay, and after that I add some papaya. This one you can cut or you don't have to cut, it's fine. It'll be ready by itself because it's too tiny. I'm gonna prepare the sauce. I'm gonna prepare egg roll skin because I have to wrap. I have to do a lot of things for tomorrow. That's why I'm not gonna ready. Some lemon. I like to use key lime for papaya salad with key lime. More flavor. That's how I think, but I don't know about other people. And I like to use skin too. Okay. After that, add some MSG. I know it's not good, but I like it. Because if you don't use, papaya salad don't turn out right way. This is sugar. I use 3 tablespoons. I like it turn out a little bit sweet and sour. Anchovy. You can use what you want. My son, he like a lot. And after that, fish sauce, a little bit, not too much. You have to look first because sometimes you add too many things on and it's gonna be too salty, you know. Okay, smash a little bit now. Okay. Add some fish meatball and shrimp, okay. Very good. My mouth. papaya salad. I just done made my vegetable. That's all I have today. And this is แจ่วปลาลาวเดี๋ยวขอป่นปลานี่ป่นปลาทูเด้อตำมะฮงแล้วก็พักและขนมมันนี่อันเนเบอร์เพิ่นเอาให้เด้อข้าวกะหากันหนึ่งซุกๆ Come in with me guys enjoy with me Come enjoy me I just done cook rice yet smoke hot a lot of things to eat I make papaya salad with gamelon basil I love basil fit meatball very spicy My mouth is burned now. Super spicy.
busy in my work today. If I don't eat all day, come eat one time, I eat so much. I don't know where food go, but I eat a lot. Sorry. I love my food. Guys, look, my papaya salad gone. I'm done too. Superhero, right? That they call or everybody wear today. You know, that's why. What they do CMN แบบหาเงินนะ you know, find the money to donation to the UC David Hospital. I'm done eating now. Don't forget follow Naly Kitchen, okay? If you like, please subscribe for me and thumb up for me. See you next video. Have a good night, guys. Bye bye. Have a good night. Have a good day. Bye bye. Still daytime. Oh my god, I eat so much. Don't say anything. I love to eat. That's my food. I enjoy my food. Hot day like this, eat spicy is very good. Especially papaya salad. Tam bang hung. Lao they call tam bang hung. Tam som tam bang hung. Bye bye.